Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting this loose, whimsical poppy bouquet. I kind of love painting poppy bouquets, and I have a few other takes on them. I'll link them down in the description box below if you'd like to watch those next. I've also linked all of the products I'm using down in the description box below, so if you're interested, be sure to check those out too. To start out, I'm painting this side-facing poppy. I'm leaving the right side pretty flat because you wouldn't really be able to see that part of the flower since it's turned on to the side. Next, I'm adding in my red poppy. I'm keeping things really loose and I'm going pretty fast. Again, I'm leaving the centers empty and then I'll come back later and add centers once these are dried. Now I'm adding in a bright pink poppy here and another side-facing poppy, this one just facing the other way. Last, I'm painting this kind of upside down umbrella shaped poppy. Because it's higher in the bouquet, we're looking at the side and underneath side of the flower. Now I'm going in and adding a light center to my poppies. Now I'm adding in my stems. I'm keeping these stems pretty long to balance out the weight of these flowers. You don't want to have short little stems on your bouquets because even though these are loose, whimsical takes on real flowers, you still want the bouquet to feel grounded. Now I'm adding in some leaves and Queen Anne's lace to help break up the bold flowers and to give your eye places to rest. I'm going to keep these greens pretty light and I'm not adding too much variety to help keep the focus on my poppies. Next, I'm adding in these little ovals connected to stems with some little lines on the top. These are going to be my poppy pods. Now I'm adding in some more little sprigs and some green centers to these 3 poppies. Now I've switched to my size 0 round brush and I'm adding in some little detail lines to my petals. I love to add these little detail lines sometimes to help give the petals character. If you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post new watercolor flower tutorials every week. If you found this video helpful at all, I would be so thankful if you shared this video with a friend. Go ahead and take a screenshot of this video and post it on your Instagram stories and use the hashtag Snowberry Tutorial. Thanks again so much for watching. Bye!